So in this section we will see the knowledge engineering. It is the main role of artificial intelligence, that is the knowledge engineering. Imagine, suppose we are having particular raw data, and that raw data can be converted so that it can be used by various users, then that is called as knowledge. So knowledge engineering is the process of imitating how a human expert in a specific domain would act, and after acting, how he or she can take the decisions. So it looks at the metadata, that is nothing but the information about the data objects, which describes the characteristics such as what is the quality, format, or content, structure, and then processes that the basis of how decision is made or conclusions reached. Means it is the process of how human expert will act, and how it will take the decision, and how the conclusion can be done by that particular person or human expert. So the knowledge engineering attempts to take on the challenges and solve the problems that would require a high level of human expertise to solve. So its main aim is to solve the problems as human expert. So the knowledge engineering process, we can see it represents the information in the standard format. After that, it extracts the metadata, and it parse the relationships using the algorithms. So in this way it works. So if we will talk about knowledge engineering, then we can say that it is the process of understanding, after understanding, representing the knowledge in the format. So the format can be anything like semantic model, conceptual diagram, any particular rules, any tree, any graph. So expert system and algorithms are very much used for representation of knowledge, and the knowledge engineering process includes knowledge acquisition, knowledge representation, knowledge validation, inferencing, explanation, and justification. So the first step is knowledge acquisition. So here we are extracting the knowledge from the source. After extracting, we are structuring and organizing that particular knowledge as human experts, and that is the main process over there. So we are observing the person solving the real problem, then we the particular extraction is done, and then structuring and organization of knowledge is done in knowledge acquisition. Then knowledge representation. So after extracting the knowledge is represented by various formats, by various considering by the various features. The knowledge is represented by decision tree or by rules or etc. Then the knowledge validation is done, means authenticity is calculated, that how the authentic knowledge is that by considering the human experts of that particular domain. Inferencing, that is responsible for giving the particular solution according to the query. And explanation and justification, whatever answer is given in that particular knowledge engineering process, how that is valid, that explanation and justification is also part of the knowledge engineering process. So we can see in the particular diagram that first the source of knowledge is there, then that is connected with knowledge validation. First it is given to knowledge acquisition, and then the knowledge representation is done. After encoding, that is given to knowledge base, and knowledge base is having explanation and justification with inferencing, and then again it is given for knowledge validation, and then again it is revert back for explanation and justification. So in this way, this knowledge engineering process is done by using these various steps. In our next section, we will see the applications of the expert system. Thank you.